Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin. How you can see, we have a snow and it's really cold right now. I wake up very early this morning and I decide to go somewhere for breakfast, but when I check my window I decide to just go to Tesco, buy some bread, eggs, spinach and just make breakfast myself because wow, it's a really strong one. We have a winter in February. Better in February than in May. But yeah, it's very cold. What actually changed all my plans for today. I just wear something yellow because we have a no sun outside. That means I will be sun for myself. Okay, quick shopping and we do some breakfast. Breakfast was lovely, scrambled eggs with spinach and cheese, delicious, but I decided to have my coffee and I really want some like good coffee experience while I drive through Avoca straight away. I'm in a power court and it's snow again. Before was blue sky, now it's snow again, looks so beautiful. Actually, that's amazing. I really cannot believe I see snow. Really cool experience. I'm going to get my takeaway coffee. Probably I will skip walk on the Power Score garden, or maybe no. I never was in a garden where was snow. Wow, that was dangerous, so windy today. Guys, crazy weather in Ireland. enjoy this snowstorm in Powerscourt the same how I enjoying right now. It's absolutely amazing. What an experience. The snow in Ireland, it's something really unusual, and have a snow and be in a Powerscourt, that's a really extraordinary experience. I love it. Now I have a sun again and blue sky. Sun, thank you very much, you're always following me. It's really funny because a few seconds ago was super stormy, and now look, blue sky, and sun for me again. Beautiful. I can show you in one video how weather changing in Ireland in actually few minutes. Blue sky above the Powerscourt again. Beautiful. Was absolutely stunning. And we have a sun again. Actually now I need some sunglasses because sun gets really strong. So white everywhere. Pity it's just for the moment, but it was extra beautiful experience. Love to be here, that was a really good idea. Come for coffee and see the snow in Powerscourt. We have a sun again. I have coffee and I'm sitting in the car. My jacket is wet and I need to dry it a little bit, but it's blue sky and sun again, no more snow. Love it. One hour, 4 seasons. Amazing experience. My plan was to go to the beach for a walk because I didn't saw the beach with the snow, but snow disappeared and it's not the point. Also I was thinking to go to eat something maybe in a subway because I'm on Apple Green petrol service, but I'm not hungry as well. Well, I think the best way will be back slowly home and maybe do some homework. I need to do my laundry, but I don't really want. It's not difficult to do the laundry, difficult is to take out the laundry and put to the laundry dryer. That's too much hassle. Maybe I do tomorrow. Today I'm not ready for that. Okay guys, hope you enjoy my snowstorm experience in Powerscourt. I love it, and that was first time when I saw snow this year. Hopefully it's last time as well, but it was really nice. Hope you enjoy too. Have a great day and see you very shortly.